guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. In this video today, we are going to get unready. That means we're going to take the makeup off and I'm going to talk about my skincare routine after taking makeup off. So follow along. Cleanser today we are using the Banila Clean It Zero Tripel Acid Cleansing Balm. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with makeup cleansers. Like, that feeling of taking makeup off just makes me so happy. It has a balm-like, or it says sherbet-like texture that goes and becomes an oily texture.
This particular clarifying one has AHA, BHA, and LHA in it. It helps to remove dead skin cells along with the makeup, and it cleanses the pores. Rub it in to even remove waterproof makeup. Now this is formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, polyethylene, mineral oil, alcohol, or any artificial coloring. Feel the makeup melting off your face with this oil-based cleanser before you go with a face wash.
And using a wet washcloth, we're going to wipe this all off.
I'm wiping off all this makeup that is melted off my face using the makeup eraser.
Now, I've been using this makeup eraser for a long time now, and I prefer this than using cotton.
This is a more sustainable method and also cost effective. Of course, for my toner, I still recommend the Mamone Rose Water Toner.
Again, I've talked so much about this toner. It's got rose water in it, but it's not very strong smell at all. You can take this toner on some cotton or a cloth and use it, but here's what I do.
I'll just pour some of it on my hands and then just dab it on my skin. I like to sometimes massage these products into my skin, which also helps with the circulation. And of course, don't forget to apply it to your neck.
Next, I have the Cosrx Snail Mucin Powder Essence.
Now, I know some of you might cringe at the thought of using snail mucin on the skin, but trust me, that snail extract helps to brighten, hydrate, and it supports healthy skin. It suits all skin types, but especially wonderful for acne-prone skin.
As soon as I wash my face and apply my essence, I like to go in with the lip balm.
Here I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I haven't found any replacement for this lip product. Now they must be doing something right because they have 4.4 star out of 5 with 13,000 reviews on Sephora. I apply it very generously on my lips and keep it overnight, and next day my lips are hydrated.
This also gives some time for my essence to soak in, and I'm going to now follow it up with some serum. Nighttime is all about hydration, so next is
Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. It's a lightweight oil with plant-derived squalane, which helps to protect skin and prevents moisture loss. It's suitable for all skin types. Even if you have oily skin, this lightweight oil will deeply hydrate your skin. If you have dryness, dullness, or uneven texture, this will provide some hydration to give you some dewy looking skin. It's non-greasy, and like I said, because it's lightweight, you can use it even if you have oily acne-prone skin.
always wait about 10 to 15 seconds between your skincare products to let some time for the products to sink in, to soak in.
This Biossance eye cream with squalane and marine algae helps to reduce the look of fine lines. It suits all skin types and is perfect for tired looking eyes. Dab it with your fingertips and then gently massage it into the eye area. You can also apply it underneath the brow bone. I also like to apply the same cream during the day because it doesn't move my makeup. I shot this video before the Sephora sale, so at that time I just had the sample size, but oh boy, I bought the full size, and you just require a tiny bit on your skin, so it's gonna last me a long time, so it's totally worth the price. For the moisturizer, I'm using the Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. It has matcha in it and niacinamide, which both are antioxidants and help with skin hydration, and has brightening and firming ingredients in it. It's very useful for dehydrated skin or if you have dark spots, uneven skin tones.
So work it into your skin.
It suits oily skin as well because oily skin can be dehydrated too. So remember, always, even if you have oily skin, you have to make sure it's well moisturized. And the pudding-like texture feels amazing on the skin. It's lightweight and instantly hydrates. And finally, I have the Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil.
I bought it during the Sephora sale, and this has been my best purchase ever during a Sephora sale. Now you need only like 3 to 4 drops of it, and it's sufficient for the whole face.
It's a lightweight oil that helps to visibly brighten and firm your skin. It suits all skin types and it's perfect for dull, dehydrated skin. The squalane helps to moisturize the skin, whereas the vitamin C helps to brighten the skin.
This has very lightweight hydration oils and it doesn't feel oily on the skin at all. When I wake up the next day, my skin feels really fresh and the vitamin C in it helps to brighten it, but it doesn't feel greasy at all. So even if you do have oily skin, this is a great buy.
Just remember, because it has vitamin C in it, apply some sunscreen the next day. I like to massage the product into my skin, just doing a little bit of circulatory massage.
So this is my current nighttime skincare routine for summer. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions related to the products that I've used in this video. I would love to answer all of them. Also, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, Makeup Simplified. You can also find me on Instagram at make.up.simplified. Do press the bell icon over here so you get notified of all the videos and content I'm posting on YouTube. Bye!